Hi, my name is Thomas and today I'm going to show you how to attach the ammo pouch to the Saltstone Integrator Hunting Vest. This is what it looks like when it's already attached, and in the next few minutes I'm going to walk you through the steps to attach it correctly. Okay, so this is what it looks like out of the box. You have two straps attached through two MOLLE clips, and these are the two rotating buckles. And all you need to do is attach these to the right points on the vest and then adjust the length of the straps to fit your situation. Okay, so attach this to the front buckle, right, with the logo facing outside, and attach this to a buckle in the back to the lower female buckle here on the back panel. Okay, that's it. Adjust the height to match your arm's length. It needs to be in a comfortable position where you can just reach inside, grab a few shells, and yeah, continue hunting. Okay, so if you need to adjust the length of the strap or the rear strap, just undo this Velcro here, and you can just extend it as much as you want, or you can shorten it like this, and then whatever you have extra hanging, just roll it up so it's neatly, fastened here and it's not disturbing you anymore. So as you know, the main purpose of the ammo pouch is this anti-spill opening. It allows you to reach inside, grab shells, or throw them inside easily, but then not having to worry about losing them, right? Even if you accidentally, flip it around, flip it over, it's not going to lose any shells. But they're still in here. You can attach it back once it's refilled. It fits approximately 30 12-gauge shells. Okay, now I'm going to show you how you can attach the ammo pouch to any belt. You just need to remove these two because they are no longer needed for a belt attachment. Like this. For demonstrations purposes, I'm using these green Velcro straps, but you can use any MOLLE strap that you have. Just run them underneath the webbing. Okay. And then loop these underneath your belt. And then fasten at the end. Okay. And then you can just reach inside, grab some shells, throw them back, and they're not falling off. This is the ammo pouch. This is what it looks like when it's mounted on the integrator. It attaches with two straps. You can adjust the height to match your arm's length so that you can comfortably reach inside, grab a few shells when you need them, and then just put it back. It has an anti-spill opening, so if you accidentally flip it over, the shells are not falling out, right? That's the whole point. It's always accessible, but it's never